Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will solve a question. This question is held in practice at question number 4, and then this question of chapter number 4, and then this question say me write a program which is capable to give detail of shop according to shop name. First of all, we were going to the setting, and in setting, we were going to font size, and we increase font size. And then I hope you see this program very easiest and very best way, and I hope you understand this topic. uh, in this uh, in this case, we were make a program, and this program give detail of shopkeeper according to shop name. This program we solve with the help of functions. I give you a background of this program. First of all, we say shop number 1, shop number 2, shop number 3. If our user enter any number, for example our user enter 1, so we call the detail of shop number 1, and then we say detail shop number 1. If our user enter 2, we pass we were going to the function, and then in function we were parent detail of shop number 3. If our user parent 3, we give the detail of shop number 3 with the help of function. And I hope you understand this topic very well and very easy way. In this case, we use void function. We can't use a recursion function because a recursion function call itself. We use recursion function because a recursion function call itself again and again time according to condition. So we select all the program and cut all the program, and then we say hash include less than stdio.h. This library give us some function like printf and scanf, and then we use integer main for first execution. And then we say first of all, we use case. First of all, we say printf 1 shop number 1. For example, shop number 1, shop number 1, 2 shop number 2, 3 shop number 3. We say with our user write only option number if you want to check out detail of this shop. Write only option number if you want to check out this shop detail. When I run this program, see what happened. We say return 0, tell the operating system execution is successfully finished. And then when I run this program, see what happened. Shop number 1, shop number 2, shop number 3 is printed, and say write only option number if you want to check out this shop detail. So shop number 2 is written. It's not good way. So when I run this program, see what happened. Shop number 1, shop number 2, shop number 3, write only option number if you want to check out this shop detail. And then we use case function. First of all, in case function, first of all we use scanf function and say our user option. Say our user write only option number. If our user enter option number, we use case function, and then we say in switch we use, in this area we write variable. The name of my variable is option, and then we say we use case function. First of all, we say if our user enter 1 in shop, if our user enter 1, so call this function shop number 1, and then we use break. If we can't write break, when this case is when the execution of this case is closed, this execution has become to another case, and another case is also printed if I can't write break function. And then we say if our user write shop number 2, so we call the function shop number 2. So don't worry guys, we make a function which is named shop number 2. And then we say if our user enter 3, we say shop number 3, we say break. And then if all the condition is become false, we say invalid option. So our user is printed wrong option, written wrong option. So we make this function shop number 1, shop number 2, shop number 3. We write void function shop 1. Printf. First of all, we say owner name, Mubashir. And then another case we say printf owner name Mubashir, and then we say owner name Mubashir, glossary shop, we say glossary shop, and then we say contact number, for example 0345, we write contact number. And then we print address of this this shop. So we say sector 9, for example sector 7, near we say sector 11 E, near Nagan. I hope you understand this topic. So we also we choose this whole program and copy this program and say if our user want to take detail of shop number 2, we say owner name, the owner of shop number 2 is, for example, Kaleem. So this in Kaleem shop, Kaleem buy mobile, for example we say mobile shop. And then we write contact number, for example Kaleem contact number is another. And then we say the Kaleem shop is held in sector 11, near sector D. We say sector F, near, for example near Karachi. We write only this program for understanding purpose. We also make the detail of shop number 3, and we say the owner name of shop number 3 is, for example, Muzammil buy, the shop of Muzammil is bike shop, and then the contact of Muzammil is for example this, and then Muzammil shop is held in Islamabad. Islamabad. Lahore. Near railway station. I hope you understand this topic. I hope you understand this program very well way. First of all, uh, we were going to in setting, and then with the help of this option, first of all, a compiler is going to in this case, and compiler read this program. Compiler see this library give us some function like printf and scanf, and then our compiler is going to the function, and then our compiler is do read those code which are written in the function, and our compiler is going to the void shop number 3, and then our compiler is not execute this program very well because the first execution is held in with the help of integer main. So first of all, these three programs compiler is only read when a compiler going to the integer main. We say printf compiler execute this program and say integer main integer option. We use case function, and then we say if our user is want to check out the detail of shop number 1, so we say if our user is written 1, so give us the detail of shop number 1, and with the help of shop number 1, this is a function call. Function call is going to the integer main and say the integer main please stop, and we were going to the function declaration, and function declaration and see what happens. So integer main say yes, you are able to going to the another function, you will go. So integer main, so our function is going to the function indirect function declaration, and then our compiler read this whole program very well and very best way. Our compiler execute this program. If an option our compiler is written to, so shop number 2, the with the help of case to shop number 2, our compiler is calling shop number 2 with after integer main. Our compiler is going to the shop number 2, and then our compiler execute this whole program which is written in function or function in function declaration, direct function declaration, shop number 2 function, and then otherwise if our user is printed 3, so shop number, if our user written 3, shop number 3, the function of shop number 3 is calling, and then the function of shop all the code which is written in shop number 3 is execute. Otherwise we say invalid option. So I hope you understand this topic very well and very best way. Take care of your guys, take care of your life guys. Allah Hafiz, bye bye. When I run this program, see what happen. This program say me write only option number if you want to check out this shop detail. If I say 1, so the detail of shop number 1 is printed. Owner name Mubashir, glossary shop, contact number this, sector 11E near Nagan. So we want to use selection in this area. For new line printed, for new line, when I run this program, when I say shop number 3, owner name Muzammil, bike shop, contact number, and then address of shop is printed. I hope you understand this topic very well and very best way. In this program you will able to write most of the program in this. For example, you write shop number. For example, you are also write in shop number 1 and using if else condition, and say what type of things in shop number, and then when our user say if I want to buy mobile, so give the detail of mobile and price of mobile. You are able to make, and you are able to write lot of code with your own mind. I hope you understand this topic very well and very easy way. See this program, try run this program, but you can't try run this program. I hope you understand this topic very well and very easy way. Take care of your guys. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.